Oh, they're loaded even. I want one of those when someone's done.
You're full.
What are they?
Here.
Water guns?
Yeah, we gotta shoot them. Whoa, there's one. Go ahead, shoot him.
There, quit that. Don't squirt the camera.
We're waiting for a wedding. Where's Snow? We're coming. Mom's in filling some more.
Great.
Not yet. You gotta save some.
Mo. I got Mo. 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 I got your
Well, who
sunglasses.
filled all the water?
What's that? I got your sunglasses right there.
I wonder who took the time to fill all the water guns.
See who needs one? Out here, that guy. I'm gonna have one.
Oh, that one's got a sight. Here, I'll trade you.
Here. Hey, guy. Come squirt a squirt gun at these people.
Okay, are we ready? Are we ready?
Okay, Brian, here. You don't want to be part of the wedding?
No, they got a room.
You have one extra squirt gun?
Yeah. Okay.
Get him!
There you go.
Get him!
Oh, we got enough water over here to put it out.
Are they going to come all the way down here like a gauntlet? They're going to run the gauntlet.
Okay, come on out. We got at least to get them down the steps.
Yeah, we got to get them out here before we start, guys. Right here.
Do your thing.
Am I in your way?
Right here. Right there.
Is this a What About Bob picture?
There they go. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's neat. This is hard to believe. I don't think he thinks it's funny at all.
Who's next?
Somebody tipped him off, huh?
We're going to start carrying those into town with us.
Oh, yeah. You're thinking they'd be great.
Okay, wait.
Yeah! There we go!
There's cake.
Their first fight?
Their first fight. Okay, now talking makeup.
Thank you.
Oh, this is fun.
Get it, Mary. That's water.
Yeah.
Lock and load.
Okay, now talking makeup.